Alright, all my YouTube friends, so just a little minor bench update here. So, as you know, I've been working on the 2023 NASCAR group build. I have videos coming up for the roll cage here. You guys saw the video on the paint on the body there. And I'm going to do a video on how I'm going to do the redoing the striping on the car. So, hopefully that turns out okay. I got the 71 Mustang here. This is almost completed. That's that James Bond NPC one. Didn't come out as great as I'd like it to. I'll have a video later for that one. The I forget what year it is. The '53 Ford AMT. He's back on the shelf, just getting some repairs. I guess you could say some minor restorations. To kind of fell apart there, but that's okay. But as I'm working on the group build, I'm also going to be starting something new here, and I'm going to take this box upside down here, and the box is still upside down. So let me put this back down. Wheel this around this way. And I'm going to be starting a 1960 Chevrolet pickup truck for Fleet Side here. This is a cool kit. It's got the cool little go-kart there. So I got a plan for this one here, working with the decals that come with it. Working with making it a go-kart truck, go-kart race truck. And I got some paints ready to go for this one here. So, see right now it's in the box. I just washed everything. Everything looks real clean. Minor flash on some of the trees. I can't even pick it up. It got caught around. I think there's some flash around the body here. Not a big deal, but I'll give you guys some updates when I'm working on it here. So, like I said, got some plans here. Still working on the NASCAR. Have a video soon on the Mustang. So that's where I'm at. Wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I hope everybody's doing well. And there's my finger pointing at all you guys saying, hope you're all well. So, rock and roll, guys. I'll catch you guys a little later.